Video to fix GTA 5 Enhanced not starting or crashing on startup on PC. And if your game won't launch, this video is for you. Are you frustrated because every time you try to open GTA 5 Enhanced Edition, the game either crashes immediately, shows a blank screen, or fails to start, making it impossible to play? This usually happens because of corrupted game files, outdated graphics drivers, conflict with mods, or missing Visual C++ and DirectX components. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of risky steps, often telling you to reinstall Windows or the game, which wastes time and may not work. On Rexist, I focus on simple and safe fixes. In this video, I will share a secret easy trick that gets GTA 5 Enhanced running without reinstalling anything. This method verifies and repairs game files, updates GPU drivers, and ensures all required software components are installed, so the game launches perfectly. It works on Windows 10 and Windows 11, supports NVIDIA and AMD GPUs, and takes only a few minutes. If GTA 5 Enhanced keeps crashing or won't start, this fix will solve it fast. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing every click and setting, comment below and let Rexist know, and I will guide you until the game runs smoothly.